Installing Fortnite on PC, a timeline guide.
Hello and welcome to our quick guide. Today we'll be discussing how long it typically takes to install Fortnite on a PC. This timing largely depends on your internet speed, computer performance, and the current size of the game, which can change with updates.
What is the size of Fortnite?
Fortnite is a popular battle royale game that has frequent updates and patches. As of mid-2023, the game's size is roughly around 80 gigabytes on PC. However, this can change with new updates or additions to the game.
How does internet speed affect installation time?
Your internet speed plays a significant role in how fast you can download Fortnite. For instance, with a high-speed internet connection, 100 megabits per second, it can take you less than 2 hours to download the game. On the other hand, with a slower connection, 10 megabits per second, it might take up to 18 hours. This is just the download time. The installation process usually takes an additional few minutes.
How does computer performance affect installation time?
Apart from internet speed, your computer's performance also affects the time it takes to install Fortnite. If your computer meets the recommended requirements for Fortnite, the installation should be relatively swift. A faster processor and a solid-state drive, SSD, can significantly speed up this process. In conclusion, the time it takes to install Fortnite on your PC can greatly vary, typically ranging from 2 hours to 18 hours or more, based on your internet speed and computer performance. Hopefully, this video guide has given you a clearer picture of what to expect when installing Fortnite. Happy gaming!